Almost done. Almost. Alright. Pikachu, what the heck is this? It's a new trampoline. Trampoline? Yeah. Making a trampoline. Now I can jump on it. It's done. Okay, good luck with that. Yeah! Hup. Boing, 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 boing. Good luck with that. Oh, come on, Kingpin. We can watch him. Boing, 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 boingy, boingy. He's gonna cry for his mommy. Boing. I told you, never play a trampoline. Huh, who wants to go get some milkshake? Sure, why not? Oh, I want some. Oh, Kingpig, I forgot. I placed a TNT on that milkshake. Wait, what? Dang it, Pikachu! Haha, fooled ya. It's not a bomb. Finally. Oh, I placed a bomb now. What? Pikachu! Haha, just a theory. This is why we should not bring you in here. Ha 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 ha! What a great prank we did. Ha ha.